Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown Charlottetown is the historic and commercial heart of Prince Edward Island's capital city. The neighborhood stretches from the waterfront inland and is filled with heritage buildings, government offices, restaurants, shops, theaters, and public spaces. Much of the downtown area can be explored on foot, making it one of the most walkable parts of the province. Its mix of history, culture, and waterfront scenery makes it a popular destination for both residents and visitors throughout the year. The downtown neighborhood has a resident population of only a few thousand people, although tens of thousands of workers, shoppers, students, and visitors pass through the area every week. The neighborhood is home to apartments, condominiums, hotels, and restored heritage buildings that reflect Charlottetown's long history. Downtown contains many of Prince Edward Island's best-known landmarks. Province House is one of Canada's most important historic buildings because it hosted the Charlottetown Conference. Nearby, Confederation Centre of the Arts serves as the province's leading cultural venue, featuring theatre, concerts, galleries, and the long-running production of Anne of Green Gables, the musical. Victoria Row is a lively pedestrian street during the warmer months, filled with restaurants, cafes, patios, and local businesses. Just a short walk away, the Charlottetown waterfront offers marinas, boardwalks, cruise ship facilities, and scenic views of the harbour. Downtown Charlottetown has been at the center of the city's history since the 1700s. The original town was laid out by British surveyors in 1768 using a distinctive grid pattern that remains largely unchanged today. Many of the historic buildings that survive today date from the 19th century and help preserve the city's unique architectural character. Housing downtown includes heritage homes, modern condominiums, apartment buildings, and restored commercial properties. Detached homes are relatively uncommon in the downtown core, but where they are available, they often sell for between $500,000 and $800,000 Canadian dollars, with some historic properties selling for considerably more. Condominiums and apartments continue to grow in popularity as more people choose the convenience of living close to shops, restaurants, and workplaces. Charlottetown is the capital of Prince Edward Island and the largest city in the province. The city has a population of roughly 40,000 people, while the surrounding metropolitan area is home to more than 90,000 residents. Although it is Canada's smallest provincial capital by population, Charlottetown serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of Prince Edward Island. Charlottetown is often called the Birthplace of Confederation because it hosted the Charlottetown Conference in 1864. Leaders from several British North American colonies gathered here to discuss the possibility of creating a united country. Those meetings helped lay the foundation for Canadian Confederation, even though Prince Edward Island itself did not join Canada until 1873. Today, that history is celebrated throughout the city and attracts visitors from around the world. One of Charlottetown's most recognizable landmarks is Province House, where the Charlottetown Conference took place. The city is also home to Confederation Centre of the Arts, a major cultural venue that hosts concerts, theatre productions, and art exhibitions throughout the year. Every summer, audiences come from across Canada to see Anne of Green Gables, the musical, which has been performed for decades and remains one of the country's longest-running stage productions. Charlottetown's downtown is compact and easy to explore. Historic buildings line the streets alongside restaurants, cafes, local shops, and galleries. Victoria Row is one of the city's most popular pedestrian streets during the warmer months, offering outdoor dining and live entertainment. Nearby, the Charlottetown waterfront features marinas, boardwalks, and parks where visitors can enjoy views of the harbor and passing boats. Charlottetown is an important educational center. The University of Prince Edward Island attracts students from across Canada and around the world. Holland College provides technical and career-focused education in many fields, helping supply skilled workers for businesses throughout the province. These institutions contribute to the city's youthful atmosphere and support research, innovation, and community events. Today, Charlottetown combines centuries of history with the conveniences of a modern provincial capital. Visitors will find historic streets, waterfront scenery, cultural attractions, and a welcoming community, all within a city that is easy to explore on foot or by car. Thanks for watching!